What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Problems by Bryce. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or I'll throw some egg drop soup in your tuna salad. Also, I'm giving away a free guitar along with some other stuff, so if you want to figure out how to enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.